Hello everyone, I'm Mahesh Lambade. Today I'm going to teach you very important topic using OpenOffice Writer. So first point we are going to discuss selecting a text. How to select a particular text. Select a text by using mouse. So there are different way to select a particular text. See by using mouse how you can select. First of all, move your mouse cursor at the starting point of the particular text and then by using mouse hold the left click button and drag over the particular text. See the selected text will highlighted. See one more time how to select the particular text. First of all, move the mouse cursor at the starting point of the particular text and then hold the left button of the mouse and drag over the particular text. See the text is highlighted. Then second way, directly you can select whole text. Just move your mouse cursor on particular text and double click. See the text is highlighted. Highlighted means it is selected. I hope you understand. Select a text. The next point, editing a documents. This is very important point. Editing a documents. Okay. Editing means doing some changes in a document. Means cut, copy, paste. These are the steps you can use for editing a document. So first point is adding a text. Adding text. How to add a particular text? Listen, by using mouse you can add particular text. For example, I have to add ABCD in this document. See, press the alphabet A, B, C, D by using keyboard. See, this is the A, this one is the B, this one is the C and this one is the D. How I added this? By using keyboard. By using keyboard you can add a text in a document. So next point, deleting text. Deleting text. So how to delete a particular text? Suppose I have to delete this name. Okay. So how to delete? So first of all, by using mouse, you have to select the particular text. Okay. After selecting particular text, you can press delete key. See on your keyboard, there is one delete key. Just press the delete key. See, the selected text will delete. How I deleted this? By using delete key. See, one more different way to deleting a text. I have to delete a particular alphabet. First of all, move your mouse cursor which alphabet you have to delete. Suppose I have to delete this H. By using backspace, you can delete particular alphabet. A single alphabet you can delete. See, I'm going to delete. So there are two ways to delete a particular text, by using delete key or backspace key. By using delete key and backspace. Understand? This is the first point, editing a text, and second one, deleting a text. Then third one, copy a particular text. Copying text. Copying a text means copy a particular text without deleting. For example, OpenOffice. I have to copy this OpenOffice text. First of all, by using mouse, you have to select the particular text. Then right click. See, there is option cut, copy and paste. So you have to copy. Then use copy option. Click on copy and move your cursor where you want the copy of particular text, and again right click and paste. Select the paste option. See, one more copy I have created. So this is the way to create a copy. Copy means make a duplicate but without deleting. So next one, cut. How to cut a particular text. First of all, select the particular text by using mouse. Then right click. See, this is the cut option. Just click on cut. See, the text is cut. But cut option make the copy but deleting the particular text. Then use the paste option. So it will make the copy of particular text. So what is the difference between cut and copy? Cut will delete the particular text and make the copy. But copy option, copy the particular text without deleting. I hope you understand the difference between cut and copy. And paste means copy the particular text and paste the different location. For example, I'm going to copy this one and I'm changing the location and again use the paste option. So this is the way. cut, copy and paste. Cut, copy, and third one is paste. Okay, cut, copy, paste. Shortcut key for cut, control plus X, and shortcut key for copy, control plus C, and shortcut key for paste, control plus V. So these are the shortcut key. You can cut, copy, paste by using mouse, and second way by using shortcut key you can cut, copy, paste by using shortcut key. So I hope you understand this point. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.